Hey y'all, it's Victoria Armani. Welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna go ahead and get right into the tutorial. Clip my hair back first, then start off with my moisturizer. I'm gonna use the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. This one is perfect if you have combination to oily skin. It is oil control and oil free. Now that we're done moisturizing, I'm gonna start off with my brows. I'm using the ANASTASIA Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. I'm going to show y'all how I do one of my eyebrows on camera. I have these clips here in real time so you can see exactly how long it takes me to do my eyebrows. Anastasia Beverly Hills has the best brow products, so you should definitely check them out. Now I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm going to use this just to carve out my brows. Now taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer, I'm going to mix in a little bit with my leftover concealer just to ensure that my eye base is not too bright. I'm going to use this as my base for all of my shadows. Now I'm going to go in with my MAC Prep and Prime Lip Balm, and I'm going to use this to prep my lips while I finish up my eyes and face. Now I'm taking my face powder, and I'm going to put this on my eyes first, and this is just going to help the colorful shadows have something to blend into. Now I'm going in with my Morphe Exchange Charles palette, and I'm using the red shade here on the outer portion of my eye. And I will have all the shade names listed on the screen so you can know exactly what shade I'm using. Now that I'm done with my right eye, I'm just taking a clean brush and kind of going over and making sure that everything looks nice and seamless. Now taking my Maybelline Eye Studio Gel Liner, I'm going to create a thin yet dramatic wing line. I'm going in with my Vanity Throne Let's Face It face brush, and this is going to give me a nice flawless foundation application. Fun fact about the inspiration for this makeup look today is I actually did the same exact look for my homecoming dance back in 2013 when I was about 17 years old, and I wanted to recreate it, and I'll show y'all pictures right now. Don't judge me. Now taking my Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade Mocha Mommy, I'm going to go ahead and bronze up these cheeks and give a little bit more warmth to my skin. And 1, 2, 3 lashes. Now that the look is pretty much complete, I'm going to go in with my Morphe setting mist in the Sweet Peach scent and set my face. And to complete the look, I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty Fenty Glow lip gloss. This shade is absolutely beautiful on any skin tone. Go try it out. And then I wanted a little bit more sheen on the lips, a little bit more gloss. So I am using the Vanity Throne Clear This It lip gloss. So go get y'all some. So the look is pretty much complete, of course. I was having a little jam session, as we can see. I will cash up anybody $5 if you can guess what song I was dancing and singing along to. I don't even know what I was doing. Like, I was just having a good time by my damn self. So, yeah. I just want to say a quick thank you to all of you who do support my YouTube channel and all of my uploads and all that good stuff. And if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe. Bye, y'all.